Your back is clean.
That's wow.
All right, I'm gonna give it to you.
I would buy this over a back scratcher any day. Like, I'm gonna shave my back every single day with something like this, you know? Like, it's the coolest product.
You got it, hairy back? Take care of it. Back blades.
You know, I thought I would need like a shave cream or a gel, but this is a nice easy glide.
If you came home and you saw your husband doing this, would that be okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
I feel amazing. Like, I just want to go in the ocean and just feel like the water all over my body now. Like, you know, like.
I don't have to ask a friend or anything. I don't have to really use a mirror.
So much better. Wow.
Your back is clean. It's very clean. What are you feeling?
I can feel the wind.
You can feel the wind. Yeah.
The KM18 firstly adapts the big screen technology. It has one USB charge port and features with a sleek gooseneck for easier access to the device. The KM18 Plus is upgraded with on-off switch to avoid draining battery out for some cars. The KM19 is the compact version of KM18. It is designed with two USB ports, one for charging and the other for reading USB files. New Lixie, driving you safer and better.
This is life. And accidents happen. This is the Rexing V1P dash camera, your roadside eyewitness. Capture vehicular events to use as evidence when you need it. V1P simultaneously records from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera captures video in full HD resolution and at 30 frames per second. With ultra-wide-angle lenses, V1P captures more than what your eye sees. V1P provides clear visibility of the light and dark areas in your videos because it auto-adjusts the exposure settings as needed. Capture clear videos even at night. Built-in Wi-Fi enables you to view, save, and share your videos wirelessly on your mobile device with the Rexing Connect app. V1P is powered by a supercapacitor, a premium alternative to the lithium-ion battery, and it features an enhanced temperature resistance to hot and cold climates. V1P automatically starts recording when any shaking or movement is detected, even when your car is parked. When the gravity sensor detects collision, it automatically locks your video to prevent overwriting. Never drive without an eyewitness. Rexing V1P. Engineered for quality. Designed for reliability.